Many of us have young children, but often we can't take our children with us. We have to go to work, or we have to go to a special event. In that case, we need somebody to care for our child, especially if we do not have family nearby to take care of them. That often means we have to find a babysitter, someone to care for our children while we are out. Often, we will ask this babysitter many different types of questions to find out if they're the best fit for our child and can properly take care of them while we are gone. Often, the kinds of questions we will ask are about their experiences towards taking care of children and taking care of children when they're sick, if they're being naughty or bad, and especially if they're tired or hungry or various other situations. We want to know how well this person will be able to take care of our child. So often we will use specific types of questions, and we're looking for specific types of answers. So with this in mind, we're going to start with a warm-up activity. We are going to pretend that we are looking for a babysitter for our child. And to do this, we're going to get into groups. Now each group is going to be given one picture of a small child. For instance, you might get a picture of this small child. Or perhaps the child that you're looking for a babysitter for isn't a child, but a baby. Okay? Now each group will get one of these pictures. Okay? And then each group will be given a set of cards. Okay? You're going to see that some of these cards are going to be questions. Okay? And others are going to be just simple sentences. Now, the goal of the activity is you need to look at the picture of the child you're given. Then you need to find the questions that are the most appropriate, the ones that would be the kinds of questions you would want to ask a babysitter and want an answer to. So, for example, if my group had the picture of this little baby, one of the questions in the cards could be this one. Have you made up baby bottles? Okay? Have you made up baby bottles to help feed the child? That would probably be a good question. So what you want to do is find those questions that best fit with the picture of the child you have. Then you want to look for sentences that answer that question. For instance, you might find statements such as this. I have played hopscotch in Candyland. Well, that doesn't really matter. I want to know if you've made baby bottles. So if you found this set of statements, yes, I have. I have made up many bottles for babies. That would be good. So your goal as a group is to find the questions that make the most sense for your picture of a child or a baby, and then find the statements that would be the best answers to those questions. Once you find all the questions and all the answers, then what I want you to do is to practice back and forth between each other. One person could be the interviewer, the person asking the questions of the babysitter. Then the other person can pretend to be the potential babysitter. And you will practice asking the question, and the other person will respond back with the answer. And you work around in your group so that everybody has had a chance to ask a question and to answer a question. And then when you're all done, we'll come back together as a class. Thank you very much.